You might be in a rush in the morning, but just taking a few minutes to check your child's restraint could save your little one's life in a crash. Today, we're looking at a forward-facing car seat for a 3-year-old. Firstly, before placing the child in the restraint, you want to check the seat is installed correctly. Check the seatbelt is connected correctly and make sure the restraint is firm. If you're using an ISOFIX attachment, check the restraint is attached correctly and make sure the straps aren't loose. Next, make sure the top tether is firm but not tight and there isn't any slack. Check the harness isn't twisted before your little one gets in the seat. When strapping your child in, make sure the shoulder straps are flat. Tighten the straps, ensuring the restraint is firm but not too tight. And there you go, now you're ready to hit the road. For any further information, or if you need any help with your child restraint, contact us at the RAA Child Safety Centre.